Introducing Vox AI Agent, the AI agent that manages your leads 24/7. Here in the dashboard, you will see how easy it is to set up your agent. The dashboard does include an overview of the calls, appointments, leads, and recent activity. To create an agent, just click AI Agent in the sidebar, then New Agent. Next, you will see pre-filled templates for various industries. These are extremely helpful and can make the simple process to create an agent even faster. Let's click on the real estate agent to review. You can name your agent, add in the business name. As you can see, the knowledge base and prohibited section is already pre-filled. This is a starting point update as preferred to fit your needs. We're going to go back and build the agent from scratch. Name the agent, put in the business name, enter your greeting message. Next is an awesome feature. Enter your business URL, and our AI will scan your site so the AI agent will have an overview of what your company does. In seconds, the information pre-fills and you are ready to save. Once the agent is saved, click Get Phone Number. Enter the area code you prefer, then OK. And just like that, you have a 24/7 AI assistant ready to take calls, log them at any time. Now let's test out the new number.
Hello, thanks for calling Sunstate Digital Solutions. How can I assist today?
Hello, I'm looking to get website services. Can you assist me?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help you with our web services. Could I get your name to start with?
Yes, it's Mike.
Great to meet you, Mike. So tell me a bit about what you're looking for. Are you starting from scratch with a new website, or do you have an existing one that needs some updates?
I want to update my current website. It's pretty outdated.
Got it. Updating an outdated website can make a huge difference. What kind of updates are you looking for? Are you interested in a complete redesign, improving the functionality, adding new content, or maybe enhancing your SEO?
Can you actually call me back in 10 minutes?
Just a sec. One moment. All set, Mike. We'll give you a call back in 10 minutes to discuss your website updates. Talk to you soon.
Thanks.
And just like that, the call is logged and a callback is scheduled. Simple. You can see the callback on the calendar and can edit or delete it. Vox AI Agent is ready to assist your business. Start your free trial today.